Su-30 MKI is a super maneuverable fighter which carries up-to-date and advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. OEP RNK-30 MKI electro-optic integrated fire control and navigation system used on this aircraft is designed by RPKB. Open architecture of the system makes it easier to integrate new systems and weapons. The system includes computing system, navigation system, data control, and weapon control systems. Central Digital Computing System provides triple redundancy. Data control systems of both cockpits consist of 7 multifunctional displays, head-up display, control panels, and standby displays. Navigation system provides coordinates, flight speed, and other information with the specified accuracy. Target designation generated in electro-optic fire control system after primary processing is delivered to missile homing heads. Integrated fire control system provides target lock-on, weapon selection, and missile launch. Tasks are shared between 2 crew members. Example, one member monitors airspace, the second monitors ground. System components are designed in cooperation with companies from Russia, India, Ukraine, France, and Israel. Su-30 SM multi-role super maneuverable fighter is a further upgrade of Su-30 MKI. Most of the airborne foreign systems are replaced with up-to-date Russian systems. The aircraft is equipped with updated fire control and navigation equipment. It allows to make use of new medium and long-range missiles. The updated algorithm of group actions task for different types of aircraft is implemented in the suite.